will share with us some reflections about the active faith.
When I was a kid, my mom and I used to be involved in an organization called Focus Food. It was different from active faith, but with very similar missions. We drive around the city delivering boxes of food to the elderly individuals who sign up for assistance. I'll never forget the way their faces lit up when we arrived. It was a bittersweet moment at the time. There was joy in knowing we were helping and seeing their gratitude, but also a quiet sadness and realizing just how much they depended on these deliveries. Programs like Focus Hope and Active Faith provide a vital lifeline for families across Michigan, ensuring that no one has to face hunger alone. It's a reminder that organizations like these rely on us just as much as the people they serve, and it's our collective responsibility to support them so that they can continue making